I'm going to make a very quick tutorial for how to stream on OBS. In this case I do it on a Mac, basically opening OBS and to stream a video on YouTube, and how to do a voiceover on already a video made on YouTube. First of all, we have to set up a program which is called I Show You Audio Capture. This program helps us to capture the audio from the YouTube video while we stream. Once you install it, you just double click and it appears. You open the double click this one as well. In my case I've already done it. That will appear in audio setup section in the Mac here. How can we access that part? Just in the search area you just type MIDI, we'll get access to the audio setup section. Go to Window, Show Audio Devices. Now we have it here, I Show You Audio Capture. Also we need to set up a multi-output device section. Basically we will choose I Show You Audio Capture, as well as, for me, I have an audio device where my microphone is connected. If in your case it is a laptop, it is built-in output. In my case I'm using Universal Audio Thunderbolt where microphone is connected to. Anyway, I've already connected this one. We can rename it. I have renamed this streaming. I'll delete this part because I don't need two of those. That's it, streaming. I've chosen I Show You Audio Capture. That helps to capture the audio from the video we would like to stream from, and then choose whichever you connected your microphone to. If you don't use any external mic, you just use your laptop, just choose built-in or anything else and click that. That should be fine. Everything is set up. Close this, close that. Now we have, and then go to your audio section, choose streaming. That's where we named it already. Now we choose our video we want to stream from, then coming to OBS. From here we add a window capture. Just, you can name it. I'll name it test. Okay, here we need to choose Google Chrome in basically the window. Using it, click OK. And the best way to crop this, hold down the Alt button and then to the corner, both corners. Then move it to, I personally do it this way. I find it quite straightforward. Drag it all the way through until it fits the main window. That's the video part is done. And then now we need, now you can hear my voice. Now we need to have the audio from the original video on YouTube. How we do that? Plus audio input capture. Now we will capture audio from our original video from YouTube. Okay, just YouTube audio. Okay, in this case we choose I Show You Audio Capture. This will capture the audio from our video. Let's play the video and we should see some volume here. There we go. From this we can control the streaming audio level. This is for the video. This is for our commentary, our microphone level for the streaming. This is how we control the audio. I pause the video for a moment. Now we have to set up the streaming. Basically, we go to create a video here, go live. I always prefer to have a different tab. And then let's lock both. I like to have a different tab always here. Dismiss. This is a new, basically, I'll name it test 1, 2, 3. And you can choose if it is a public video. Straight away you can stream publicly or unlisted or private. If you choose private, in this case you will be provided with a link, and only those who they have the link, or you are going to invite them with the link, they can view your video. In this case I'm going to just choose public. And then the other options, if you want to schedule for later, you can schedule a particular date and time when you are going to be live. But in this case we don't choose anything. It's a already pre-uploaded video. This is for, it's up to you. Now our video is not made for kids. Create a stream. We create a stream now. Perfect. We go to setting. We choose from the service YouTube, and then the server, the backup YouTube. From here we copy the stream key, then we paste it, get stream key. That's it. Okay, now fine. Just a few more things to make sure the audios are fine. If you have noticed, mine, it's a stereo. We go to property, make sure, in my case, the microphone is connected to my sound card. If you have a laptop or anything, you don't use any external microphone, you can collect default. But in my case I'm using an external microphone. And then we go to advanced audio property. This is very important. Make sure this mono is ticked, because otherwise we will have the voice in one side, either right or left, it depends, because microphones are mono. Make sure this is ticked, then here we'll have a stereo. That's very important, please remember that. Now let's go to start recording and start streaming. We are waiting for this go live button to go active. Just that might take a few seconds. It depends on the speed of the internet. Now we are ready to go live. I'm going to rewind the video, just play, and then now I'm clicking go live. You are live. Yes, at the very first few seconds might have some delays, but that should be fine. Basically, this is for our voice, this is for streaming. Now both of them are active. We are live. It says live, and this is the time. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, please comment below the video. I will try to answer as soon as possible all your questions, or just ask me for any other tutorials in regards of any other part of the program. Then the very last thing, if we want to finish, we end the stream, stop recording, stop streaming. And then end in studio. Save as new, basically. If you don't want any changes with it, you just go back to your video channels, or you just change the details you want to have anything and you save it. Thanks a lot.